What's up guys, and welcome back to the Rails of Mass. .49 miles south of Boston by rail, we find ourselves here in Wareham, Massachusetts, checking out Wareham Village Station. Although currently unused, the station structure here was built in 1985 for Amtrak and Commuter service to Cape Cod. The regular year-round passenger service ended here back in 1959 when the New Haven Railroad cut service to the old colony lines. Beginning in 1986, Amtrak introduced the Cape Codder, a seasonal summer-only train service to Cape Cod. This lasted 10 years until 1996, when unfortunately the service was cut. Beginning in 2013, things began looking up. A new seasonal, weekend-only passenger service called the Cape Flyer was introduced as a collaboration by the MBTA, MassDOT, and the Cape Cod Regional Transit Authority. The year 2014 brought construction of a brand new 400-foot high-level platform here, and Wareham Village was officially added as a stop for the Cape Flyer in June of that year. Fast forward into 2025, Bill H3654 was introduced, an act relative to restoring commuter rail service to Cape Cod. At the time of recording, there are currently 10 co-signers and sponsors on this bill, with another indicating they are willing to co-sign. Want to help make this dream a reality, please contact your elected officials and let them know you want them to co-sponsor this bill before the reporting date of November 15th. I'll leave a link to the bill in the description of this video, and be sure to check back for new updates as they become available. This wraps up our look at Wareham Village. As always, be sure to let me know where you'd like to go next in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. As always, thanks for watching.